So we've done a lot of wildfire debris missions in the last 4 years. However, none of them have been on an island in the middle of the Pacific. There's a lot of limitations to the resources we have here in Maui. After the response phase of the mission, we move in to start looking for hazardous chemicals. We have an archaeologist team that comes in and looks for cultural concerns. And once we've finished those steps in the process, we're ready to get the contractors in the field and start taking the debris. So the culture in Hawaii is so paramount that we could not ignore it when we were putting our debris plan together. As soon as I got here, my boss said, "You have to meet this woman." And I was given a crash course on Hawaiian culture and what it means. It's not just the land that's surrounded by thousands of miles of water that makes it special. It's also made special by the cultural practices. The historical properties pose unique challenges for us. We have a special team in the Corps of Engineers that comes out and assesses each of the historic landmark structures. The building behind us is the Hawaiian Kingdom Courthouse. This building has been assessed and will be saved. We have planned to shore the exterior of the building and then use a crane to lift the debris out from inside. So we have a lot of partners to do this. This is more than what one team could ever take on by themselves. FEMA hires the Corps of Engineers to be a project manager and bring with them specialist contractors that can hire specific skill sets. In this case, we have 95% of our subcontractors coming from the local construction community. And what we're finding is these folks are incredibly invested. If they personally didn't lose a house, they probably had family members or friends that have lost property in this fire. And that results in a truly dedicated workforce that's concerned not only with working quickly to get their family members and neighbors back into their house, but at a high level of quality that you just don't always see in other disasters. So in our 16th month of debris removal, we finished up the residential. We have a few properties left in the commercial area. We have some long pull missions that have a lot of planning to happen before we can actually do the work on them. I'm super proud of the team and the work that they've done. I can't wait to see how the community rebuilds this beautiful town.